And welcome viewers to our meteorology segment. We're delighted to bring you some more content here. It's a brand new day. Don't allow your credibility to evaporate. If your credibility evaporates, folks, good luck getting it back. The first thing we're looking at are the jet streams. Look at the divergence here over the Atlantic Ocean. Major kinks in the jet stream going on here. Huge bends driving cold air into the Canary Islands and the Azores. Some cold air in the Great Lakes region as well. Let's look at the surface winds of this side of the planet. Shout out to our viewers from the western side of planet Earth. There are your surface winds. Let's rotate and view the east side. Shout out to the east side. Major system here, south of the outer Aleutians. Quite a large low pressure system there. You can see the counterclockwise rotation. Here are the jet streams. Here are the jet streams. Let's try again. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Quite chaotic here around the equator and south around Oceania. We've got some backward jet stream there blowing east to west instead of the normal west to east direction. Next, we're going to show you a snow forecast. This is the European model. And we're going to show you a rational 3-day snow forecast. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers who have been watching more content. Make sure you go view on YouTube. Maybe consider becoming a member of the Smash team to help us out. Maybe share the videos on your social media. Anyway, thanks for the uptick over there. We're going to show you the European forecast for the next 3 days. So there's the Euro forecast for new snow for the next 3 days. It does not look like a catastrophic blizzard from where I stand. Here's the GFS model for accumulated snow, and they're forecasting for like an inch, half an inch here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. It does not look like a doomsday snowfall, and this is why you shouldn't rely on models. 3 days out is about as far as a model can be expected to be accurate. Again, that's your 72-hour GFS positive snow depth change forecast. So here's your pressure and precipitation forecast over that same period of time based on the same model. And you can see a high pressure ridge there hanging out over the central Rockies there around eastern Idaho. Otherwise, things are going to be pretty mild here according to the forecast. A low will develop here around North Carolina and move up the coast. It doesn't look like it's going to dump that much snow except in the Atlantic Ocean. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county's lit, just click it. Again, weather.gov. A lot of wind chills around the Great Lakes. Next, your NASA Goes lightning mapper. We saw some lightning threaten to strike the Florida coast. It looks like it subsided just before making landfall. So let's look at a real-time lightning map next. Here at lightningmaps.org. And do we see any terrestrial lightning? Indeed we don't. Anyway, next time you hear thunder, maybe check it out. lightningmaps.org. It's good times. By the way, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Thanks to our Twitch followers. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers. Make sure you press like and subscribe. Press share. Share on your social media. It'll probably make somebody angry. And everybody loves to do that on social media. Next, thanks to our BitChute subscribers once again. We've seen a huge uptick here in our BitChute views. Thanks everybody over there. Again, make sure you view the content on YouTube because you're missing our space weather videos. Most of them thanks to our YouTube viewers for putting up with the pathetic censorship on the platform. Let's get back to meteorological data. Here is the data from the NASA Goes Interactive Weather Satellite Suite. The water vapor map over the Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest surface heat sink and largest body of water. If you don't understand the physics, you're not going to be able to forecast. You see all those orange areas? That's dry, massive air. Were you aware that moist air is less massive than dry air, all things considered the same? In other words, at a given temperature and pressure, if the air is dry, it is more massive than if the air is moist. This gives us an insight into what's going on into U.S. weather. As you can see here, this moisture flowing in. We've got some moisture flowing in this way. which is going to cause a low to set up off of North Carolina. As we just said, it's all about understanding the physics. So here's your U.S. Doppler radar map. Everything's pretty calm over the U.S. at the moment. A little bit of precipitation happening there. It looks like it could be some snow in Oklahoma. In any case, here are clouds and fog. It's too dark to see them with a visible satellite, even here in Lehigh Valley. So we use the shortwave radiation map, and here's the water vapor scenario over the lower 48. Some moisture making its way down into Wyoming there, and into North and South Dakota, Minnesota, and a ribbon of dry air stretching all the way from Southern California into central Pennsylvania. Shout out to our viewers from all around the world. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Shout out to our American viewers. Here's your recap. U.S. Doppler radar, shortwave radiation. It's 3.9 nanometers, and here is the water vapor. Thanks again for tuning in, folks. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network. Least busted. Name it news.